Hello friend, today without any app you can save any low quality, pixelated or damaged photo in 4K quality with just one click, absolutely free. Here, without any app, you can save a full 4K quality photo with just one click. You can turn unlimited low quality photos into 4K quality. So as you can see, this photo is really low quality, it's all pixelated here. The face isn't even clear, you can see, right? I'm going to turn this photo into full 4K quality. First, turn on the internet on your phone. Then go to Google and search. So here, I'm searching on Google, but you can use the Chrome browser to search as well. Here, type photo, AIID. Then search for it, and you'll see two websites appear in front of you. So here, you can see at the top it says passport and visa. So click on the website below that says free online AI image. So I'm clicking on it here. After that, you'll see an interface like this appear in front of you. Here, you can see they've given a simple before and after comparison below. You can see the before and after like this, and here you can see the full 4K quality. So here you can see there's an upload image button, just click on that. After that, select your low quality photo from the gallery by clicking browse here. Here you can see I already have a photo. I'll select this one, so I clicked on the photo. Now you can see my file has been uploaded. You'll see it's loading here, so just wait a bit. Then there's one more step to do. The result has already appeared in front of us, as you can see. Let me zoom in and show you. Now you can see how much the photo has changed. Your followers will be able to see it here as well. So here you can see what it looked like before. And now this is what we have. You can see the quality difference here. As you can see, the entire image has now come out in full 4K quality. If you want even higher quality than this, you can do that as well. So here to do that, you need to save it to your gallery. You just go to the top here, then click on download to save the photo to your gallery. After that, come back to this website and upload the photo again. In this way, you can create photos from 4 up to this point completely for free. So please like the video and subscribe and turn on the bell to learn new styles of photo editing. So see you again with another new video. Everyone, take care.